Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic product owner. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management and Scrum and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, product owner is basically a role defined in the Scrum framework. A Scrum is basically a approach or framework which we used for software development, and Scrum is based on concept of iterative and incremental approach in which we divide the project into multiple chunks, which is called a sprint, and with each sprint we deliver the work to the customer. Scrum nowadays is very popular and very well known. Many organizations are moving towards the Scrum framework because it's successful. It satisfied the customer. It received the customer feedback at very early stage, and also team is also in good state. Why? Because team is getting feedback from customer. Projects are delivering successfully. So basically, one of the role in the Scrum framework is the product owner. Product owner is basically a person who is a bridge between the business and the development team. Development team means that the core development team, like software developers, designers, and business. Basically, you can think of this as customer who is providing the work. This customer can be the internal customer, or this can be the internal stakeholder from your own organization as well. Product owner is a person. If you see the term product owner, so that means who is the owner of the product. That means he has complete knowledge about the product. Product owner plays a key role in defining and prioritizing the product backlog. Product backlog is basically set of features requirements which needs to be developed in a product. Also, he knows about the enhancements, fixes, list of features, requirements for the product. So first thing is the product backlog management. Friend, product backlog, just think of this as an Excel sheet in which all the requirements, features are mentioned about the product. For example, let me give you an example, like the customer can do payment through credit card or debit card on a e-commerce solution, for example. So this is a requirement, this is a feature. Also, customer can can see the product through product catalog on the e-commerce solution. So this is another feature. Customer can log in into the application. This is another feature. So basically, feature is basically a user story in general. In terms of Scrum framework, user story is basically a set of set of feature required in a product actually. Also, product backlog contains the bug fixes and other items that need to be developed. So a product owner prioritizes the backlog based on business value, market needs, and other factors, ensuring that the most valuable items are worked on first basis. Then the user story definition. User story is, just think of this as a feature, is a user requirement. Like for example, customer can do the payment through credit card. So this is a user story. This is a requirement. This is a feature which is required in a product. So collaborate with the stakeholders to define user stories with concise description of functionality from an end user perspective, and also ensuring that user stories are well defined, clear, and convey the desired outcome. Here it is very important, friend, that the product owner is getting the feedback from business. Okay, he knows that this is the user story which is required. Now the product owner is also responsible to clearly define the user story, clearly define the requirement, that actually what is required and what should be the desired outcome, so that the team should focus accordingly as well. Decision making authority. Decision making here means the priority of items in the product backlog and what should be included in each sprint. Sprint is a 3 to 4 week time period in which the team commits that what are the items which will be included in the sprint. Like for example, the team commits that, for example, like we will complete 10 items from the product backlog. So this will be called as the sprint of 3 to 4 week time period. So having the authority to accept or reject the work results at the end of each sprint based on whether the goals and criteria have been met. Once the sprint completed, once the development completed, so there will be a session of sprint review in which the team demonstrate the work which has been completed, and the product owner has the authority to accept or reject the work as well. This is the authority of product owner. Then the communication and collaboration. The product owner actively collaborate with different stakeholders, including customer, end user, business team, development team, to gather feedback, requirements, and insights. He is basically a bridge between the business and the development team. Okay, so the development team is not directly talking to the customer, and basically he is getting the talking with the customer, with the business, and communicating it to the development team. Again, similarly, if the development team need anything, so he will be talking to the business. So he is basically a bridge between a business, customer, and the development team. Then goal alignment. Product owner aligning the product backlog with the overall business strategy and the goals, because he is the person who has the clear understanding and knowledge about the goal of the sprint, ensuring that the development team is focused on delivering features and improvements that contribute to the overall success of the product. Adaptability. Product owner basically, based on different changing requirements, priorities, market conditions, and feedback, he basically adopt the things accordingly. Like if there are changes are coming in the market, so obviously he will be changing the requirements as well. Embracing an iterative and incremental approach to product development. He is totally focused on iterative and incremental approach, means that with each sprint the product will be evolving and improving as well. Knowledgeable about the product, means the product owner has a deep understanding about the product, the market, and the customer needs. Actually, what customer needs are, what are the market conditions, and being able to make informed decisions that align with the overall vision for the product. So he has a great knowledge, great understanding about the product or the requirements and the market condition as well. Continuous improvement, means the product owner participate in a sprint review, sprint retrospective sessions, and always focus on the continuous improvement. Continuous improvement means that focus on the positive things which should be continued and the negative thing which should not be continued, and work collaboratively with the scrum master to foster a culture of continuous improvement within the team. Like every day he tries to improve the things, try to improve the culture. Cross-functional collaboration, means the product owner work with the scrum master team and the customer, business, and share understanding of goals and priorities, facilitate communication and collaboration among team members. Product owner has a deep knowledge about the product and possess a deep understanding of product market trends and customer needs, and stays informed about the industry developments and emerging technologies that may impact the product. Product owner work closely with the scrum master and the development team to ensure a smooth and efficient development process. This collaboration is essential for achieving the goals of delivering valuable, high quality increments of the product in each sprint. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching.